Here we show you how to easily and quickly make a vegetable quiche. We'll prepare it for 4 persons in about 45 minutes. For this, we need wheat flour, butter, eggs, red capsicum, spring onions, tomatoes, mushrooms, milk, cream, grated parmesan, white pepper and sea salt. We put the flour in a bowl, add the butter to it and season it with a pinch of salt. Then we stir the mixture with a wooden spoon. Now we add a little water and continue stirring. Next, we add 1 egg and stir it in. We put the mixture on our work surface and knead it until we have a smooth dough. Then we form a square from the dough. To let it rest, we wrap it in cling foil. That way, the dough can be rolled out easily and will not tear. In the meantime, we cut the capsicum into cubes, the spring onions into little rings, the tomatoes into slices, and the mushrooms also into cubes. Now we put 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them with salt and pepper. While whisking, we first add the milk and then the cream. Now we add the grated parmesan to the mixture and stir again thoroughly. Now we can continue with the dough. We cover the work surface with a little flour. Put the dough on it and dust it with flour. We also put flour into the quiche mold. Then we roll out the dough with a rolling pin until it is a little larger than the mold is. To lift up the dough, we wrap it around the rolling pin and unwrap it just over the mold. We push the rolling pin along the rim of the mold so that the dough is cleanly cut off. Now we can strip off the rest of the dough easily. We carve the dough base crosswise and put the mixture of milk, cream and cheese onto it until the base is covered completely. Now we spread our vegetables on the mixture, except for the tomatoes. Once again, we add a little of the liquid mixture. We place the tomatoes on top and finally pour the rest of the liquid over it. Then the quiche is placed in a preheated oven. Have fun trying out this recipe.